Today is Thursday, February 26th. That's Bet, bobbing and weaving. Callie's standing next to her. Unfortunately, I have to go to work, so I'm not going to be able to videotape much longer. But she'll probably be doing this for quite a while. There's nothing to do. There's no toys. There's nothing inside the exhibit. They're just standing, and they have some hay, and you know, it's kind of mixed with their own feces. It's a very sad life for these elephants. What's tragic is that they could be at a sanctuary right now, or they could be with other elephants. They could be roaming, foraging, playing. Instead, they're stuck here. Okay, unfortunately I have to go to work. Drop my keys. Okay, the rhino. This is the rhino exhibit. No rhino inside the barn. This is the okapi exhibit. No okapi inside the barn. Sorry. So here's the okapi exhibit again. No okapi. It's a beautiful day. No reason for the animals not to be out, except laziness of the keepers. The Shetland cattle are out. They're usually out. They must not take much work to come out. Probably just open the door. So I'm sure it's much less work for them to be out than in for these zookeepers. Here's the hippo exhibit. No hippos. They're inside. No reason. Just keeper laziness. It's a nice day out. There's no reason these hippos could not be outside.